flick those observations out rather than staring.
Yeah.
Try not to stare.
Yeah.
Well, what are you going to do after the park one?
Just gonna keep back.
No signal, you're right, just go
No
out.
sound.
Yeah, you sound. You should come back anyway.
Yeah.
That's a given.
Yeah.
If you're not overtaking people,
Yeah.
you should be back on the left. So for me, that signal to move back, as long as you do it straight away, is rarely needed.
Relevant.
Yeah?
Okay.
If you're out in that right lane for a long time, you might have maybe confused, but maybe told people inadvertently that you're turning right.
Yeah.
So, do you think there would have been anything different with your position there that you probably could have done?
I probably could have stayed on the left and just moved over into the middle.
Good. The straddle position.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Like this, basically.
Bit different now because the vans are a little bit wider.
Yeah, but
Do you understand? But it's a similar position.
Yeah.
If you move away a little bit so we've got enough space and just stay there, so your left wheel's on the line.
So
really you're showing people after the blue one
we're going to go back into the left.
Perfect.
Yeah. That was in my head, to be honest, but I just thought.
Good. So take as much room as you need, be dead safe with the left, but so now you could maybe just glide back in a little bit there, and then you're showing people you're going to go check
and then move over.
Mostly the way, and then when you pass the other parked cars, all of the way.
Yeah.
Got it, mate?
Yeah.
Crack of that. Well done.